Once head of department created the goals for the department, he or she will need to go to his team and cascade the same goals further, so that the team would be able to achieve relevant milestones in the departmental goal setting. We will show how to create goals for the team members in this video. You would need to go to Navigator once again, My Team, Goals. Please note that we are accessing head of department account, and the second icon will be related to the team that reports to the head of department. Therefore, it will show all relevant staff who is responsible for various functions within your department. Let's say if it is a sales related unit, then obviously all sales goals will be created for them. If it is an employee who works in operations, then obviously all operations goals of the department will be further cascaded or created for him or her. So once you decided what kind of goals the department needs to achieve, you will need to cascade each goal to relevant team members. Why is it required? It is required to delegate the assignments further, so that they would contribute to the overall departmental goals achievement. And in the first video we have seen how we have set the goal for the department by specifying RFQ response rate, if you remember. And now we are going to create a goal for one of the staff reporting to the head of department, and we will specify what exactly this particular team member needs to do to achieve the overall departmental goal. So here is when the decision is already taken in terms of cascading. If you remember, we have set the departmental goal, and then we will need to add different goals to relevant team members so that they can achieve that operational or sales related goal. In this video, we are going to add a goal to one of the team members to help us with the departmental goal that we set in the beginning. Click Add Goal. Here you would need to enter the goal name. So in the beginning, we mentioned that the department overall needs to reduce RFQ response time by 30%. Here, the head of department may keep the goal exactly the same for the line manager, because head of department is not going to be involved in achieving that departmental goal, and therefore he or she will just set this goal for the responsible line manager. Or you can change the goal or make it smaller, so that both you, head of department, and the line manager would work on it together. So in this case, we reduce the percentage, which means that 20% will be done by the head of department, or it may be done by another colleague, right? So here we just cascaded or made the overall departmental goal smaller for one of the team members by reducing the percentage. It can be reducing the figure, it can be giving smaller tasks. For example, if we had overall departmental goal of increasing customer service or customer satisfaction levels by 30%, we can give different tasks to different line managers. One of them would need to, I don't know, make 50 calls per day to maintain client relationship atmosphere. Another line manager would need to produce relevant reports or revamp current customer satisfaction approach, and so on. So this is how we make the overall goal cascade, and this is how we make it smaller, so that every team member is able to work on it and complete overall departmental goal. So here we just reduced the percentage of overall departmental goals set in the first video. Again, you would need to specify the target completion date, the deadline, the category, and most importantly, the weight. If you remember, the weight is very important because if you keep it 0, the goal will not be part of employee's performance evaluation. And you need to make sure that it comprises 100%. If you decide to help the employee or line manager understand that there is particular assignment and that you have he or she has to do various actions, you can enter them in description and success criteria fields. You can also add attachments if you would like to provide the line manager with more information about the assignment. Save and close. And this is the moment of adding the goal to one of the line managers. And this goal was cascaded from overall departmental goal of reducing response time by 30%. The next step for the head of department will be to align this team member's goal with the departmental goal. And we will show how the alignment would look like and what is it made for. To align the goal, you would need to click on orange button on the right and then align. Here, head of department will see all the organization goals that he or she set for the year. And obviously the relevant goal needs to be aligned with relevant organization goal. And we will select reduce RFQ response time by 30%, which is the goal for medical equipment business. Click align. So now this employee is aligned to overall departmental goal and he will know how he is contributing to the overall achievement of medical equipment business in this example. So this is the goal set by the head of department for overall department, and this is what the line manager needs to achieve on his own or with his team. Goal alignment is possible to view using this icon here.